Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is July 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Fastenal's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Fastenal, a leader in the wholesale distribution of industrial and construction supplies, has just released their financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fastenal's performance this quarter is quite impressive, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fastenal reported net sales of $2,018.3 million for Q2 2025, an 8.6% increase compared to the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in net sales is primarily driven by improved customer contract signings over the past 6 quarters and an increase in unit sales. Despite sluggish market conditions, Fastenal managed to expand its customer base, particularly those spending $10 or more per month. Additionally, pricing actions and better product availability contributed to this growth.
And how about profitability?
Fastenal's gross profit increased by 9.2% to $942.8 million, with a slight margin expansion to 45.3%. Operating income also saw a significant rise of 12.7% to $436.1 million, reflecting effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Fastenal's adjusted earnings per share came in at 29 cents, surpassing the analyst forecast of 28 cents. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
Beating the EPS forecast indicates that Fastenal is effectively managing its operations and costs, even in a challenging market environment. The 12.7% year-over-year growth in EPS is a testament to their strategic initiatives and ability to capitalize on market opportunities.
How significant is this beat in the context of analyst expectations?
It's quite significant, especially considering the forecast was based on a survey of 7 analysts. Surpassing expectations suggests strong execution and could boost investor confidence in Fastenal's future prospects.
Product and market segment performance. Let's delve into the performance of Fastenal's product and market segments. How did their different product lines fare this quarter?
Fastenal's fastener product line, which includes OEM and MRO fasteners, grew by 6.6% year-over-year. Safety supplies saw a robust growth of 10.7%, driven by stable PPE demand and success with warehousing and data center customers. Non-fastener product lines also performed well, with a 9.5% increase, reflecting strong demand in MRO-oriented lines like electrical and janitorial supplies.
And what about their market segments?
The manufacturing segment, which accounts for 75.9% of total sales, outperformed due to strong relationships with key account customers. Non-residential construction also showed growth for the first time in 10 quarters, indicating a positive shift in market dynamics.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Fastenal has managed to keep its SG&A expenses at 24.4% of sales, down from 24.9% last year. How has this impacted their cash flow and future outlook?
By controlling SG&A expenses, Fastenal has improved its operating leverage, resulting in a cash flow of $278.6 million for Q2 2025. This strong cash flow supports their ability to return $252.5 million to shareholders in dividends. Looking ahead, Fastenal plans to invest $250 million to $270 million in capital expenditures, focusing on distribution center upgrades and IT projects, which should enhance their operational capabilities.
What can investors expect from Fastenal in the coming quarters?
Investors can expect continued focus on expanding their customer base and enhancing operational efficiencies. With a solid balance sheet and strategic investments, Fastenal is well-positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities and deliver value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fastenal has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025, with impressive growth in revenue and net income and a beat on EPS expectations. Their strategic focus on customer expansion and operational efficiencies is clearly paying off. Thank you, John, for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Fastenal's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fastenal's performance in the comments below. Until next time,